A ray of light AO in vacuum is incident on a glass slab at an angle 60 degree and refracted at an angle 30 degree along OB as shown in the figure. The optical path length of light ray from A to B is. Here light is traveling from this vacuum to glass slab. So it is interface. It is interface and it is normal at an incidence. So it is incident ray. It is AO. Then the angle of incidence is 60 degree and refracted with an angle 30 degree. So O to B. The light travelled a distance in the glass slab, this O to B distance. In air, the distance is that A to O. Here, the distance A to O is taken as small a, and the distance travelled by light in glass slab, say it is B. So we use the Snell's law here. From that Snell's law, mu is equal to sin I by sin R. Sin I by sin R. What is angle of incidence? That is 60 degree. Sin 60 by sin 30 is equal to, this is root 3 by 2 and it is 1 by 2. So root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2, that is equal to root 3. So this root 3 is the refractive index of glass slab with respect to air. Then the distance, what is the length of AO? How can we find this length OA or AO? Here you take cos 60. What is cos 60 value? Cos 60 is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse. So here in this diagram, this is distance A, small a distance is adjacent side and hypotenuse is say OA or AO. So cos 60 is equal to adjacent side. What is adjacent side? A by, that is say AO. That implies AO is equal to small a by cos 60. What is cos 60 value? Already we know that. That is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, a by 1 by 2. A by 1 by 2. That is equal to 2a. The length OA value is that 2a. Then the distance travelled by light in glass slab is that OB. The distance OB is value is. Here also we take cos 30. So cos 30 is equal to. What is cos 30 again here? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. This adjacent side is nothing but B. So B by OB. OB is hypotenuse. That implies OB is equal to B by cos 30. What is cos 30 value? Cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. So B by root 3 by 2. That implies, or that is equal to, or OB is equal to 2B by root 3. OB value. The optical path is equal to OA plus mu into OB. What is OA value? Already you know that AO is equal to 2A plus what is mu value? Mu value is that root 3. And what is OB value? OB value is 2B by root 3. 2B by root 3. This root 3 value cancel, then 2A plus 2B. It is optical path of that ray of light, that is 2A plus 2B. This question was asked in 2019 JEE mains. Okay. A ray of light is incident at the glass water interface at angle I. It emerges finally parallel to the surface of water. Then the value of mu z would be. It is a problem given in our IIT mains examination. So here the ray of light traveling from glass to water. So it is a interface of glass and water. It is a normal. It is normal. The ray of light is coming from glass to water, and here the angle of incidence is that I. That is also given here. Then the ray of light refracts from glass to water. So water is a rarer medium with respect to glass. So what happens? The ray of light move away from the normal like this. So it is a angle of refraction. The refractive index of water with respect to air is equal to 4 by 3. Then finally the ray of light passes or emerges parallel to surface of water. That means this refracted ray from water to this air that emerges parallel to the water surface. That means it grazes the interface of water and glass. So the angle of refraction here, that is 90 degrees. Here in this question we want to find that the refractive index of glass with respect to air, A mu z. So what is the refractive index of glass slab with respect to air? It is a given question. How can we solve this? Here we take the principle of reversibility. According to principle of reversibility here, the incident angle is say 90 degrees and that ray refracts into water with angle of refraction R, and it travels or it incident at the interface of water and a glass. So at the interface of water and glass, it incident with angle of refraction, that means this R value. Then it refracts into the glass with an angle I. It is given. So we are considering the ray grazing, that means according to the principle of reversibility. So it is a critical angle. This angle of refraction is nothing but critical angle according to the definition of critical angle. So the refractive index of water with respect to air is that mu is equal to 1 by sin C. By using this formula, we can find the what is critical angle or what is the angle of refraction. Here critical angle is nothing but the angle of refraction. So A mu W is equal to A mu W 1 by sin r. Here this a mu w value is given, that is 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 is equal to 1 by sin r. So sin r is equal to 1 by 4 by 3, that is equal to 3 by 4. This is sin r value. So this sin r value and here the angle of incidence from water to glass is same, that is sin r is equal to 4 by 3. Here the ray of light traveling from this water to glass slab. So we are finding the relative refractive index of glass with respect to water, that is W mu g. What is W mu g? That is equal to A mu g by A mu w. By using Snell's law, W mu g is equal to A mu g by A mu w, that is equal to, from the diagram, sin r by sin I. Sin r by sin I. So A mu g is equal to the refractive index of glass with respect to air. That is the given question to find that. To find the value is that mu g, or A mu g is equal to what? So A mu g is equal to sin r by sin I into A mu w. A mu w is given, that is 4 by 3 here. So what is sin r value? Sin r value is 3 by 4. That implies 3 by 4 by, what is sin I? Sin I, that is sin I into what? A mu w. What is A mu w? 4 by 3. So 3 3 cancel, 4 4 cancel, that is equal to 1 by sin I. So the refractive index of glass with respect to air is that 1 by sin I. A mu g is equal to 1 by